Ashwani Dubey, do you believe that this is a verdict now today that is likely to be upheld even by higher courts if it is indeed appeal, as the victim's lawyer was stating earlier?
That's depend on the wisdom of the Honorable Appellate Court. But I do agree and concur with the views of Mr. RVS Mani. Why? There are reasons. One, the law he has already told that they both have a right to appeal. Because I am speaking just as a lawyer, my case is just based on the facts of the case. Right to appeal to Mr. Shahid Nadeem is available. He has a fundamental right, legal right under the criminal jurisprudence to appeal for the victims. Even the agency can go to the appeal. An agency must go also, because the NIA was asking for the death penalty, for the stricter punishment for the Sadhvi Pragya. It was not that the NIA has any loophole in the investigation, which NIA took over from the STF. Point two, Uday, now I am coming the facts of the case. This case is not a normal, ordinary criminal case. This is a case where a different narrative selectively created in order to defame a community. That community which believes in peace, that community which believes in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that the community which believes in coexistence, live with peace, allow us to live with peace. So that was the narrative which has been dismantled today by the judgment of this court. One. Two, 9 years under custody. You just understand the pain. It's not the simple, rigorous imprisonment. It was the torture. You ask Sadhvi Pragya. You ask the torture which has been meted out by the agencies. Ask the torture which she has faced, not the mental, private parts for she was not brutally assaulted, but abused in many ways. You see, still she is on the medication. So 9 years of custody and a combined 7 years of ordeal later. Have you seen that a Kasab was meted out with the same treatment? In this country, being a Pakistani, knowing that yes, he has killed many people, knowing that he's a foreign Pakistani. And third, here is the case where the then agency has failed and has calculatively, in a malicious, wrongful prosecution, wrongful, malicious investigation was conducted against the innocent persons. And that is why here it is not the case, which is a normal criminal case where appeal they have to play. It's a case where 17 years an innocent person just faced for the abusive process of law which was started. It's a complete mockery. Now third, let us come to the judgment. Let's discuss in detail. What the court said. There is no evidence or proximate link so far as the Sadhvi Pragya Thakur is concerned with respect to her scooter which was sold 2 years before the Malegaon blast case.
Yes.
Number two, Uday, just give me 10 more seconds. I know there are other panelists, learned panelists. Number two, so far as the Colonel Purohit, 17 years. You see, the torture which he was, how will you give the 17 young years? The Colonel Purohit would have been here by this time the Major General in the army or the Lieutenant General in the army. He would have been on the forefront. But how his dignity would be restored? Acquittal is acquittal. It is honorable acquittal. Yes, there is no definition of the acquittal that whether there is an acquittal.
Okay, point taken.